Good day everyone. We are here to tackle about classification of animals. I am Jomari Bonto
I'm Rodney Templonuevo,
and we are from Amando College. The world is full of different types of animals. Some swim, some fly, some crawl, some walk, some breathe air and some breathe in water. But have some animals have skeletons and others don't. To help us understand the differences between the animals in our world, scientists classified observed animals into different groups that share important characteristics. The two large groups of animals are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are the animals who have spine or backbones, and invertebrates are animals do not have spine or backbone. Most of the animals in the world are invertebrates. Some examples of invertebrates are octopus and squid, insects, starfish and sea urchins, jellyfish, crabs and lobsters, clams, and many more creatures. Vertebrates are divided into different classes of groups. The classes of vertebrates are very familiar: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Let's of the characteristic that make an animal a fish. Fish lives in the water, and they can breathe underwater. They use gills, not lungs, to get oxygen from the water around them. Fish have scales and fins. They are cold-blooded, which means cannot control their own body temperature, which change based on the temperature and the environment around them. Most fish lay eggs. The next one is amphibians. Amphibians are a group of animals that include frog, toads, salamander, and more. Amphibians, like fish, are cold-blooded. Unlike fish, amphibians can live on land and in water, and have smooth, moist skin. Amphibians lay eggs in water. When the eggs hatch, the young may not like look their parents, because some amphibians must go through metamorphosis, or a big change to become adults. Beside from some fish, amphibians are the only vertebrates that are only undergo to metamorphosis. Next is reptiles. You might know a turtle, snake, crocodile, and lizard. Like fish and amphibians, reptiles are cold-blooded. Unlike them, reptiles are animals cannot breathe underwater. Even reptiles that live in water must come to the surface to breathe. Most reptiles lay eggs, but they are more different from the egg of amphibians and fish. Their eggs are laid out of the water and have a protected shell. Let's proceed to birds. Birds are easy to recognize. They are the only types of animals to have feathers. Like reptiles, they can breathe only on air. All birds have two legs and all birds have wings. But not all birds can fly. That unlike fish, amphibians and reptiles, birds are warm-blooded. That means they can maintain a constant body temperature. Birds lay eggs, but unlike the egg of reptile, birds' eggs have hard shell. The last group of animals we are going to talk about are mammals. Mammals are the group of animals that humans belong to. Like birds, mammals are warm-blooded and breathe in air. Even mammals live in water, must come to the surface to breathe. Almost mammals give birth to live young instead of laying eggs. And all mammals feed their baby with milk. Here are some questions for you. Number 1. Where do humans belong into animal kingdom? A. Mammals. B. Birds. C. Reptiles. The next one. What is the only group of the animals undergo through metamorphosis? A. Reptiles. B. Amphibians, and C. Fish. Next is, what is the group of animals that have spine or backbones? A. Vertebrates. B. Invertebrates. C. Leaf. I hope you enjoyed learning the classification of animals today. Goodbye until next time.